This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blades renewal. To remove a wiper blade, pull the arm away from the glass and swivel the blade through 90 degrees. Then squeeze the locking clips and detach the blade from the arm. When fitting the new blade, make sure that the blade locks securely into the arm and that the blade is orientated correctly. Replacing the rear wiper blade is the same procedure as the front, but the spare wheel will need to be removed in order to renew the blade.